Today I'm going to show you how you can split the profile and use it to develop an idea and then execute on that idea. So we're going to look at oil. Now here I thought oil was vulnerable to a squeeze. The market had traded lower, trapped a few volume, squeezed, come back down and then done more volume at the low here. Now it had squeezed higher in this session and then gone off it again, yet the offer wasn't really able to hold, and then overnight the market spent some time here sort of at or above the value area high. So what did I want to see? I thought actually if this market started to take this high, then that's kind of invalidated the lower highs that we're seeing here, and the market was vulnerable to a squeeze on a larger time frame. So what I needed to do was first wait for this. So if we go to our next picture, what we have is a market that's now taken this high, right? So we've got that. Now what we also have developing is a little bit of time. We have some single prints and we have time and volume being done above those single prints about that high, right? So that high as a point of resistance has now been invalidated. Now what happens is the market spends some time up there. It's developing a block, developing some positioning. It tests lower, squeezes out anyone that's weak in there, but then comes back into the block. At this stage, I really like this idea, and I got long there and put my stop below here. What I wanted to see here was potentially a little bit more time, a little bit more volume, because you can see that still the VPOC on the day was down here. Ideally, it shifts up, and then from there, the market can move higher. Now, because this market has tested down and been picked up, I think it was safe to assume it should spend at least a little bit more time in that zone. And that little bit more time was really all that was needed in this case to shift that POC higher. So now, what we see here is that just very soon afterwards, we have that condition, right? We have volume up here. And so by just understanding those things, we had used this little test lower to position, expecting that then these volumes would come up and then that this breakout would occur. And what we've now had is another squeeze here. So this day actually did end up testing higher, but what I've shown you were the easy sort of high probability ticks of the day. So first we just needed to invalidate this as a level of resistance and then look for the squeeze higher. And by splitting the volume profile and using it as a point of reference, we were able to do that. So that's one example of how you can do it, but there are plenty more ways that you can do this. So if you want to work on your profile game, then go and check out elitetraderworkshop.com and see how we can help you with that. If you're enjoying all of these videos, then go and like and subscribe and follow us on all of your favorite social media to keep up with everything we're putting out. That's it for today, everybody. I'll catch you next time. See you.